Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
Miss.
Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank
I'm fine,
you.
thank
And you?
you.
I'm fine too. Good to hear that. And before we start, I would like to check your attendance first. First is Naila Putri.
Present, Miss.
Oke, Mutia Rista.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Before we begin our lesson, let's pray together. Who would like to lead the prayer?
Naila, Miss.
Oke, Naila. Silakan dipimpin.
Okay. I will lead the prayer, Miss.
Oke, silakan.
Let's pray. Finish.
Thank you, Naila, for the for lead the prayer. And next is we're going to learn about asking for and giving directions. First is, have you ever been lost? Have you ever been lost in a place?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, we have the same experience, right? When we do not know where a place is, we can ask someone for directions. Okay. Uh, what do you say when you want to ask someone for directions?
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
And then asking for the place we want to
For the
go.
place we want to go.
Yeah, that's right.
Mm,
For example, we can say, excuse me, where is the library? Okay. And next is learning objective. First is ask for directions politely, and the second is give directions clearly, and the third is use vocabulary about directions and locations, and the fourth is give directions based on a map, and the last is practice a short dialogue with a partner. Today we're going to learn about asking for and giving directions. Today this is the learning objective. And next is look at the map. What place can you see?
school,
Hospital.
Miss.
Hospital,
School,
school,
hospital,
supermarket,
right. And then,
bank,
Supermarket, library.
library.
ya, betul sekali. Uh, now look carefully at the location of each place. Nah, untuk di sini kan ada hospital ya, ada school, ada library, ada bank, and supermarket. Nah, sekarang kita bakal pelajarin arah-arah. Misalnya kita mau ke library itu lewat kayak gimana cara ngarahinnya kalau ada yang nanya, atau kalau kita mau ke library nanyanya gimana gitu kan. And then now listen to this short dialogue. I will give you some audio and you need to listen to it. Wait.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure, go straight and turn right at the second corner.
Is the library far from here?
No, it is next to the bank.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. I will play it one more time. This time, pay attention to the direct direction expression.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure, go straight and turn right at the second corner.
Is the library far from here?
No, it is next to the bank.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. And now I will ask you, what expression did you hear for asking for directions?
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library?
Okay, very good answer, Naila.
Thank you,
And next
Miss.
is, what expression did you hear for giving directions?
Go
Uh,
straight and turn right.
yes.
Okay, very good job, Mutia. And next is, now let's look at some expression for asking for directions. We use this expression to ask about a place. First is asking about a place. Excuse me, where is the library? And the second is, where can I find the post office? And asking about a route is, excuse me, how can I get to the hospital? And the second is, could you tell me how to get to the bank? And the last is, can you show me the way to the supermarket? First is, what can we say if we want to ask where the library is? Want to answer?
Naila, Miss.
Okay, Naila, go ahead.
We should say, excuse me, where is the library?
Okay, very good answer, Naila. And then, what can we say if we want to know how to get to the hospital? Who want to answer?
Mutia, Miss.
Silakan, Mutia.
Excuse me, how can I get to the hospital?
Okay, very good, Mutia. And can you give me another expression? Who want to answer?
Naila, Miss.
Okay, silakan, Naila.
Could you tell me how to get to the bank? Or can you show me the way to the supermarket?
Okay, very good. Remember to use polite expression when asking for directions. And next is giving directions. Let's learn how to give directions. First is direction expression. Go straight ahead, turn left, turn right, take the first left, and take the second right. And di sebelahnya ada location expression. Ada next to itu di sebelah, across from itu di seberang, between adalah di antara, near itu dekat, behind itu di belakang, and then in front of is di depan. Now, what can we say when we want someone to continue straight?
Bisa pakai go straight atau go straight ahead, Miss.
Okay, very good answer, Naila. And then, what can we say when the person needs to go to the left? Want to
Mutia,
answer?
Miss.
Okay, Mutia, silakan.
Turn left or take the first left.
Okay, very good answer, Mutia, sorry. And now is, and if the person needs to go to the right, what you will answer, Mutia?
Turn right or take the second right.
Okay, very good, Mutia. And now we can also tell someone where the place is. Di sebelahnya ada location expression. What does next to mean?
Next to is di sebelah ya, Miss?
Iya, betul. Next to itu di sebelah. And then across from, what the meaning?
Di seberang, across.
Okay.
Di seberang.
Very good answer. And then in front of, who want to answer?
In front of, di depan, Miss.
Ya, betul sekali, Naila. Thank you for the answer. And then now let's learn some vocabulary related to the directions. Here is the vocabulary yang akan kalian pelajari. Ini ada word, kata-katanya, dan sampingnya adalah artinya. What does left mean?
Kiri.
Kiri.
Okay, very good. What does street mean?
Kanan.
Street.
Jalan.
Oh,
Okay, very good,
jalan-jalan.
Naila.
Sorry, Miss.
And then, what does intersection mean?
Persimpangan.
Persimpangan.
Iya, betul sekali. Oke, kalian bisa pelajari ini di rumah ya untuk suatu saat kalau ada yang nanya arah, bisa kalian jawab dengan baik. Oke,
Siap, Miss.
next is how to give directions. Start is where are you? Yang pertama itu biasanya ada pertanyaan kan? Baru go itu kita menjawab dengan arahan, go straight. Untuk turn itu juga sama dengan arahan, location juga posisinya. Ibaratnya kayak kalau misalnya bank itu ada di sebelah perpustakaan gitu. Misalnya dari hospital mau ke perpustakaan. Bisa misalnya kan tadi sesuai yang di maps ini lurus lalu belok kanan atau sesuai arahan di maps ini ya. Nanti dia ada di sebelah ini nih ada di sebelah library itu ada di sebelah bank gitu. Itu memberitahukan posisinya. And next is example from school to library. Dari sekolah ke perpustakaan. Goes right and turn right. The library is next to the bank. Kayak ini, berarti dari sekolah ke perpustakaan. And then now is work with your partner. You have a map with several place. Ini mapnya ya. Choose one starting point and one destination. Kalian pilih starting pointnya startnya di mana nih? Kalian posisinya di mana? Lalu pilih one destination tujuannya mau kemana untuk nanti kalian bikin dialog ya.
Ya, Miss.
Okay. Now is compare and practice. Let's compare this expression. First is giving direction. There is turn left, take the first left, and both are used to tell someone to go left. Oh, ini
Yes, Miss.
ini tuh jadi kita compare untuk giving direction and location-nya ya. Are turn left and take the first left used to giving directions?
Yes, Miss. Sorry,
Iya,
Miss.
betul sekali. And then are next to and across from used to describe location?
Yes, Miss.
Exactly. Very good answer, Naila. And then I will ask you the first situation, school to hospital. I will ask you how to give the directions.
Can you show the map first, Miss?
Oh, sorry. Okay, here.
The question is, you're first at the school and then go to hospital, yes, Miss.
Yep, that's right.
Go straight and turn left, maybe.
Yes, that's right, Naila. Very good answer. And then I will ask you the situation too. From bank to the supermarket, give the directions and describe the location. Now, where is the supermarket? Who is want to answer? Here the map.
To the bank. At the bank
From the bank to the
to the
supermarket.
supermarket.
It's only across, Miss.
Okay, very good answer, Mutia. Okay, let's check your pronunciation. I will read some vocabulary and you guys repeat after me, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
First is intersection.
Intersection.
Okay, and next is across.
Across.
Okay, and now still repeat after me. Could you tell me how to get to the library?
Could you tell me how to get to the library?
Okay, very good. Remember to speak clearly and use the correct expression. And next is, wait. Next is speaking practice. I want to person to read this one. I will choose Naila for student A, and then Mutia for student B. Okay?
Okay. Yes, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Ya, silakan.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library? Excuse me, Mutia.
Wait.
Miss, this conversation
What?
is
Why?
two people, right? Two people, right?
Right, two people.
It's me.
Yeah, for
It's me and
student B.
Mutia.
Wait.
Okay.
Mutia
you-
do student B.
Yeah. Mutia, the
Okay, and I'm
PPT.
A.
You can see the PPT, Mutia?
Yes, Miss. Apa, Miss?
Can you see the PPT?
Yes, Miss. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure. Go straight and turn right at the second corner.
Where is the library?
It is next to the bank.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, very good. Now it's time for the speaking practice. Work with your partner. First, make the simple dialogue about asking for and giving directions. Student A will ask for directions and student B will give directions. Use the map as your guide. This is for the example. You can look at the PPT and I will give you 3 minutes for make the dialogue first, okay? Is it enough? 3 minutes?
Enough, Miss.
Enough, Miss.
Oke. Oke, silakan diskusikan dulu dialognya. Untuk pemilihan student A dan student B-nya, bisa student A-nya Mutia dan student B-nya Naila ya.
Okay,
Baik,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke. Okay, enough everyone. Is it your dialogue is finished?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now you can exercise your own dialogue with your partner. Make sure that include asking for directions, giving directions, location information, and a polite closing. I'll give you 2 minutes for practice. Is it enough?
Enough,
Enough,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke, boleh silakan silakan praktis terlebih dahulu ya. Oke, time is up.
Ready, Miss.
Ready? Oke,
Ready, Miss.
very good.
The
Silakan.
student A is Mutia, B is Naila ya, Miss?
Ya, B is Naila and A is
Oke.
Mutia, oke?
Okay, Mutia first.
Oke, silakan.
Okay. Excuse me. How can I get to the bank?
Sure. Go straight and turn right at the first corner.
Is the bank far from here?
No, it is next to the supermarket.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Okay, good job,
Have a
guys.
nice day.
You
Okay.
too.
Okay, good job, guys. Your direction were clear and your pronunciation was good, very good. And try to speak more fluently next time, okay?
Okay, Miss.
You
Yes.
can practice it at the home, okay?
Okay, Miss.
And then this is the assignment. First is create a short dialogue about asking for and giving directions. And your dialogue must include asking for directions, giving directions, at least 3 direction expressions, and location information, and the last is a polite closing. Practice with your partner on the next meeting. Okay, now exercise your own dialogue with your partner. Make sure that include what is in the PPT. And then
Yes.
today and now let's review today's lesson. First is what expressions can we use to ask for directions?
We can use excuse me or where is, or we can use like how can I get to, or could you tell me how to get to?
Okay, very good answer, Naila. Wait. And then, what expression can we use to give directions? Who want to answer?
Mutia, Miss.
Oke, silakan Mutia.
Go straight, turn left, turn right, take the first left.
Oke, very good answer, Mutia, I'm sorry. And the last is, what expressions can we use to describe a location? Want to answer?
Next to,
Okay,
across from,
good.
between, behind, in front of.
One else?
Um,
It's
near.
yeah,
Near.
very good answer, Naila. And now, what was easy for you in today's lesson? Apa nih yang sekiranya gampang buat menurut kalian di pelajaran hari ini?
Asking
Asking
for
for
the
direction, Miss.
Iya, betul. Terima kasih jawabannya. And then, yang susah apa nih?
Pronounnya, Miss.
Ya, pronounnya ya itu.
Speaking in English ya, Miss.
Iya, betul sekali. Untuk next-nya mungkin bisa sambil dipraktikan ya untuk mengasah pronunciation in speaking English. Okay.
Miss.
Practice will help you become more confident. And now, let's do a short speaking evaluation. You are at the school and you want to go to the library. How can you get there? Gimana caranya?
Excuse me. How can I get to the library?
So,
Go straight and turn right at the second corner. It is next to the bank.
okay, very good answer, you guys too. And then for your assignment, I have to read it for you. Practice the dialogue in the next meeting, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, everyone. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for thank you for your participation. Good job for today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Thank you,
Goodbye,
Miss.
Thank you.
Miss.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.